Have you ever tried to start up a YouTube channel and you don't know how to begin? Today, I will show you exactly how to start up a YouTube channel in just 10 simple steps. Hi, my name is Try It 21 times and I help people to turn their passion into successful online venture. If you're ready to start up your YouTube journey, keep watching. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start up your YouTube channel and upload your first video. Let's get started. Step 1, pick your niche. Your niche is what your channel will focus on. It could be fitness, gaming, cooking, comedy, or anything you are passionate about. So choose a niche you love, because creating a content is just fun, not like work. Step 2, create your channel. Sign into a YouTube using your Google account. Then click on your profile picture and select create a channel.